Hello guys, in this video I will explain you how to use the sheet properly. So let's start. So now, so as you can see, there is tab on this sheet for for the language Igbo, for the language Chichewa, and there is a tab of submit task. In submit task, you will get the task details which have been done. So for example, if you want to take a ID for the transcription work, you just have to check the IDs from here. Like if I wanted to take this ID, because in this ID there is no transcription name, and also the transcription is not yet completed. So I am taking second ID for the example. So if I wanted to use this ID, what I have to do is to just enter my name, and uh, now I take this ID, and because the account name is H22, so I'm going to the ta language tab, and I finding H22. From here you will get all the details, all the account credentials in the language part, like account, their password, and the recovery email. If you watch the video which we shared you previously, you know that how to log in Loaf 2.0, and you know that in for login into the Loaf 2.0, there is a need for account and the password, and there is some dashboard URL. We added the dashboard URL here, and also we added that previous video URL here. You also can view from here. Also we added a PDF for the transcription rule. You have to read the guidelines for the transcription, and now you will, from here you will get all the guidelines for the transcription of punctuations, segments, format, currencies, and other things. And now I am going to my submit task again, and for example, if my task get completed, like if the last second of the audio is completed, what I have to do is to just click mark the transcription complete as this. I just have to mark this, and you don't have to submit or click on any skip button. You don't have to click on any other button rather than your transcription. Sorry. And after that, if you wanted to take any more tasks, you can take your task from here. Like if you wanted to take this, you just have to enter the name here, and you will start working on it. As the task get completed, as the last second of the audio get completed, you just have to click on transcription completed mark. All right, I hope you all understand. Thank you so much and all the best.